Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Woman Gets Her Teeth Knocked Out After Resisting Arrest." Wow.
Keep your fucking hands off me. I ain't fucking do nothing. Oh my God!
On March 17th, police confronted a woman at a bus stop after she had previously been banned from the premises.
It's time to go.
I just got here, okay?
It's time to leave.
Nothing. I'm not doing nothing. What am I doing?
It's time for you to leave.
What? It's cold as hell outside.
Okay, you can't be in here. It's time for you to go.
I can't be in here for what?
Are you gonna leave or not?
You gonna push me outside again?
Yes.
For what?
Yes.
I didn't do nothing.
Are you gonna leave or not?
I didn't do
Or are you
nothing
gonna make
wrong.
me? Let's go.
I didn't do nothing wrong, sir.
All right, stand up. You're under arrest.
No.
Then leave.
Under arrest for what? I didn't do nothing.
Then leave.
I didn't do nothing wrong. You
Come here.
keep your hands
Stop.
off me. I didn't
Stop.
do nothing wrong. Oh my God! My tooth!
Stop.
You broke my tooth! You broke my tooth!
Yeah, that's why you don't hit a cop. You don't hit a cop. All right, stop. Stop. Give it up. Put your hand on your back. Just give it. Stop. Put your hand. Stop. Stop.
I just fell asleep.
Stop.
Let go of me.
Give it up.
You broke my tooth.
Let go. You ain't get handcuffed.
Let go of me. I didn't do nothing wrong. I fell asleep. I fell asleep. Stop. Let me go. Y'all just broke my tooth. Why did you say me too long? You just broke.
It's funny watching the people through the window. Like they're trying to come like through that, maybe through that entrance or whatever, but they walking up and they go like this. They walking up, right? And they keep walking, and then the other guy, he come walking, he go. Now that I said it, I'm gonna run it back a little bit and see what I'm talking about. Because you probably didn't notice it. You were probably just looking at that, but watch the people trying to walk in, trying to get in. Like, okay, you got that guy, but yeah, then this guy too. So I'm gonna run it right here.
Let go. You ain't get handcuffed.
Let go of me. I didn't do nothing wrong.
He walking up, he go. Then you got this guy peeking down. Oh, hold up, boy.
Let me go. Y'all just broke my tooth. Y'all just broke my tooth. Why did you say me too long? You just broke my teeth. Let me go. What is wrong
Stand up.
with you? Why did you say me to the wall? Let me go. I just fell asleep.
Oh, there's the one guy.
What I do? Y'all just broke my teeth. What is the matter with you? You just broke my teeth. Look at this.
That's why you don't hit a cop.
I didn't hit nobody. I didn't hit
Try to
nobody.
run.
Let me
I had a
go.
female in custody. Can you start me a sergeant, please?
No, you didn't.
Code 2 medic.
Why'd you hit me?
For a lady bleeding from the face.
I didn't do nothing wrong. Let go of me.
10-22.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Stop!
Let go of me.
No!
Why'd you send me to the wall? I didn't do nothing.
Because you hit me.
No, I didn't.
You don't hit my hand away.
I didn't hit nothing. Get off of me. Get off of me. You just broke my mouth. I'm gonna fucking sue the f out of you.
That's fine.
Let me go. Why are you arresting me because I fell asleep? And you slammed me against the wall. Let me
Stop.
go. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Man, she probably spitting blood all over the place. I would get her away from the desk, honestly.
Wow.
Turn to
Let
1
me go. Let me go.
Stop.
What is
For
wrong
now,
with
yes.
you? Let me go, please.
Search a couple pockets and I'll let you go.
Okay, I couldn't copy you.
Oh, nothing on me.
Just let him search and I'll let you go. I'm 10-4 for now, yes. I got one female in custody.
Against the wall.
Bleeding from the mouth.
Okay. Come on, go ahead and start that way.
You're
You're in and out.
I'm pressing charges. Let go of me.
You know that he's got a certain pocket, so don't do it.
All I have is tobacco in the back of my pocket.
Don't know that, man. You know what you're doing.
The longer you do this,
Let me go.
Hold on.
You have to send me against the wall.
you didn't have to hit me.
I didn't hit
You had to leave the first time I asked you to leave.
Hey! You just sent me against the wall. You let me go. There's nothing else in my pocket.
I have to search it.
You don't have to search me.
I do have to search you.
You just slammed me against the goddamn wall.
Yeah, because you hit me.
I didn't hit you. You trying to look at go and throw me outside for no reason.
Stop moving.
Let me go.
Stop moving.
Look at my teeth. He slammed me against the f***ing wall. I didn't do nothing because I fell asleep. I'm suing the f*** out of
That's
you.
fine.
Go ahead and call the cops.
They're on the way.
Good. There's nothing in my pocket. You f***ing broke two of my teeth, bro. My f***ing face hurt. I don't have nothing else. You already searched me. Can you please let me go?
No.
You just searched every pocket of my body. You trying to keep checking my boobs too?
No. Get back over here.
Let go of me. That's my tit.
It's your damn pocket.
I don't have any other pockets. You searched everything. You searched everything. Now let me go.
Why are you moving so much?
You just slammed me against the fucking wall and broke two of my fucking teeth.
I got an ambulance coming for you, okay?
Yeah, and I'm calling the He just slammed me against the wall and broke two of my teeth because I fell asleep on the
got it, bro.
goddamn
You can
bench.
put her in for
You
now.
want to throw me out?
She didn't do shit.
I didn't do a goddamn thing. I fell asleep on the bench and he slammed me against the fucking wall and broke my teeth, bro. He broke my fucking teeth because I fell asleep on the wall. You let me go.
As soon as we put you in the car, I will.
Put me in the car for falling asleep. Let go of me. He broke my tooth. He slammed me against the fucking wall. Why am I
Sit in
being
there.
arrested?
For trespass and aggravated battery on a police.
Trespassing? I did not do anything.
Sit down.
I fell asleep. And he
Sit down.
grabbed me and threw me against the wall and broke my tooth. Look at me.
Sit down in the car.
Look at me.
Sit down in the car.
No. Sir, I did not do anything wrong. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. What the f***?
Trying to figure out what's going on.
I fell asleep on the...
Well, in all fairness, all she had to do was just leave. Like, you've already been trespassed. And the way we know that is because earlier on, when she was still sitting down, she said, "What, are you gonna throw me out again? Or send me in the code again?" One of those two phrases, I can't remember which one, but it was something along those lines. And the fact that she said again, you know you're not supposed to be there. She knows she's not supposed to be there, man. And just, you know, I mean, I get it. It's tough to get around if you can't use the bus. I mean, if you rely on public transportation, yeah, you might not want to get trespassed from the bus stop. I mean, duh. That's one of the last places that you want to be, you know, that you want to have troubles at.
The bench and he woke me up and told me it's time to go, so he grabbed me and shoved me and pushed me against the wall. He pushed me so hard against the wall he broke two of my teeth.
She was out sleeping in the lobby. She knows she can't come in the lobby and sleep. I kick her out. I've kicked her out a couple times. Yeah. Ask her to leave. She wants to argue. Say no. Finally told her she under arrest and she popped up. And I was going to let her leave, but then she was not leaving, arguing. I go to put hands on her and she smacks my arm away. Okay. So I grab her arm and push her up against the wall. By the door. She must have hit her mouth on the wall and broke her tooth. Okay. And then took her to the ground and handcuffed her.
You got Axon with you on your phone?
Probably.
Somebody needs to just get pictures of her face and her teeth.
All right. I got a medic coming.
I want to press charges on him. Answer that question.
Hey, what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley what?
Dixon.
What, Dempsey?
Dixon.
Dixon? D-I-X-O-N?
Yes. No, why am I getting arrested for falling asleep?
You weren't getting arrested for falling asleep. Let me ask you what happened in there.
I was
I'm the
quite
sergeant
literally
here.
falling asleep on the bench. He told me it's time to go. I said, why? What did I do wrong? So he proceeds to grab me and push me, shove me so hard against the wall, he broke 2 of my teeth.
Yeah, you said your tooth got broken.
Yeah.
Tell me that.
So well, why am I getting thrown out for falling asleep? It's 6 in the morning.
But he told you multiple times he had to leave because there's no sleeping in there and you wanted to argue. When he told you you were under arrest, he told you to leave again, you were arguing. At that point, you were committing trespass, so he went to place you in custody and you smacked his arm away.
No, I want to go outside and leave like you told me to.
It's all on video, so I mean.
Right, so why do you shove me against the wall?
Well, if you're refusing to leave and you smacked his hand away and you're
I was
under arrest.
on my way out the door.
Well, the video will show that.
Yeah, and it will show him shoving me against the wall so hard it broke 2 of my teeth.
If you smacked his hand out of the way and were fighting him, he was absolutely justified in doing that. And that's all on video.
That's not fair.
Okay.
When I'm on my way out the door, I was complying.
Okay, Ashley, what's your middle initial?
I was complying with him. I was leaving like he told me to. I swear to God, I was walking out the door. He didn't mean to shove me. He shoved me against the wall and it broke 2 of my teeth. He slammed me so hard against the wall and chipped my tooth.
Are you want to go to the hospital?
Yes. And I want to press charges against that man that just shoved me against the wall for falling asleep inside. It's so cold outside. I just came here to get warm.
Hey, what's your last name?
Dixon, can I please go to the hospital?
You said Dixon?
Dixon, yeah, so can I please go to the hospital and get out of these handcuffs?
What's your first name?
Ashley.
Okay, hang tight.
I didn't do anything wrong. I just fell asleep inside. It's cold. I don't care. I just want to go to the hospital.
Alright,
honey. You want to come walk over here to the ambulance and get you going?
Please get me out of these handcuffs.
You're not getting out of cottage, but you're over here.
Alright, this way.
I just woke up, man.
Hi. You want to take a seat right here for us?
Show me against the wall.
Okay.
Hey, hold on.
Hold that in just a second. Go ahead and put your back down and grab the cup.
Hang tight. You want to go right with me? Nah.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and criminal trespassing. If you enjoyed this video, leave.
Oh boy. Yeah. Hey, they got her together. You know what I mean? Hopefully she won't come back. You know, I guess that's one way to get her to not come back. Just knock out her teeth, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.